Everyone has difficult days sometimes. Sometimes all we really need is someone who cares about us stay by our side. Today, I'm going to introduce some comforting phrases in Thai, along with the situation and context where Thai people naturally use them. So, if someone you love ever goes through a difficult time someday, you will have these phrases ready to help comfort them in Thai. Alright, let's get started. ให้อยู่เป็นเพื่อนไหม 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 ให้ means to give you means to stay or to be there เป็นเพื่อน means to be a companion or to keep someone company and ไหม turn a sentence into a question ให้อยู่เป็นเพื่อนไหม This phrase means that you are offering to stay with someone, to be there for them, whether they need someone to talk to or just don't want to feel alone. Even though it's phrased as a question, it gives a very caring feeling. It shows that you truly care about them and want to be there for them. โอเคเปล่าให้อยู่เป็นเพื่อนไหม โอเคเปล่าให้อยู่เป็นเพื่อนไหม ให้อยู่เป็นเพื่อนไหม เข้มแข็งไว้นะ 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 เข้มแข็ง means to be strong ไว้นะ as a gentle and supportive tone. In Thai, เข้มแข็ง can refer to both physical and emotional strength, but in this phrase, it mainly refers to emotional strength. Thai people often use this phrase when comforting someone who has lost a loved one or someone who has lost something very important to them. It's a gentle way to encourage someone to stay emotionally strong during a painful time. รู้ข่าวแล้วนะ เสียใจด้วย เข้มแข็งไว้นะ รู้ข่าวแล้วนะ เสียใจด้วย เข้มแข็งไว้นะ เข้มแข็งไว้นะ ผ่านมันไปให้ได้ 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 ผ่าน means to get through มัน in this phrase refers to the difficult situation someone is facing ไปให้ได้ means to make it through Thai people use this phrase to encourage someone to get through a difficult time. It means you don't want them to stay stuck in the painful situation or negative mindset, because staying stuck in those feelings can slowly make things even harder for them. At the same time, it also shows that you care about them and that you believe they're strong enough to get through it. ผ่านมันไปให้ได้นะ เธอทำได้ ผ่านมันไปให้ได้นะ เธอทำได้ ผ่านมันไปให้ได้ ค่อยๆคิด ค่อยๆตัดสินใจ ค่อยๆคิด ค่อยๆตัดสินใจ ค่อยๆคิด ค่อยๆตัดสินใจ ค่อยๆ means gradually or slowly คิด means to think ตัดสินใจ means to decide. This phrase is often used when your friend is feeling upset or disappointed about something, and it's a situation where they need to make an important decision on their own. By saying this, you show that you understand how they feel. You want them to think carefully before making a decision, and you also don't want them making an emotional decision while emotions are still running high. The message here is simple. Don't rush. Think carefully and give yourself time. ยังมีเวลานะ ไม่ต้องรีบ ค่อยๆคิด ค่อยๆตัดสินใจ ยังมีเวลานะ ไม่ต้องรีบ ค่อยๆคิด ค่อยๆตัดสินใจ ค่อยๆคิด ค่อยๆตัดสินใจ ไม่เป็นไรนะไม่เป็นไรนะไม่เป็นไรนะไม่เป็นไร means it's okay. Many learners already know this phrase, but when you use as comfort, the ending particle na is very important. In Thai, na helps soften the sentence and add emotional warmth. In this phrase, it shows that you understand how the other person feels. If they need to cry, it's okay to let it out. If they need a moment, that's okay too. This is one of the most common comforting phrases in Thai, and Thai people use it for everything from small everyday situations to deeply emotional moments. ไม่เป็นไรนะปล่อยมันไปไม่เป็นไรนะปล่อยมันไปไม่เป็นไรนะเดี๋ยวมันก็ผ่านไปเดี๋ยวมันก็ผ่านไปเดี๋ยวมันก็ผ่านไปเดี๋ยว means soon or eventually มัน refers to the difficult situation someone is currently facing ก็ as a natural flow to the sentence and ผ่านไป means to pass. Thai people often use this phrase to comfort someone and remind them that what they are going through is only temporary. It's commonly used for emotional pain such as heartbreak, stress after an accident, or difficult moment in life. The phrase helps the listener feel that this painful moment will not last forever and that they shouldn't stay trapped in those feelings for too long. It generally reminds them that life will continue moving forward. This phrase usually used for situations that don't happen often and won't continue affecting someone forever if they are eventually able to move on. เดี๋ยวมันก็ผ่านไปเดี๋ยวทุกอย่างก็ดีขึ้นเดี๋ยวทุกอย่างก็ดีขึ้นเดี๋ยวทุกอย่างก็ดีขึ้นเดี๋ยว means soon or eventually ทุกอย่าง means everything ก็ add a natural flow to the sentence and ดีขึ้น means to get better. This phrase is used in a very similar way to the previous one. It also encourages someone to move forward and not overthink the difficult situation too much. But this phrase เดี๋ยวทุกอย่างก็ดีขึ้น is often used when someone still has to continue living with that situation for a while. For example, business, work, life, relationships, or family. It means that something unexpected or difficult has happened, but you want them to believe that things can gradually improve again. You want them to make it through that emotionally difficult period. เดี๋ยวทุกอย่างก็ดีขึ้นไม่ไหวก็พักนะไม่ไหวก็พักนะไม่ไหวก็พักนะไม่ไหว means can't handle it anymore or feeling overwhelmed. พัก means to rest. People usually say this phrase when they understand what the other person is going through and they can already see that person has been trying their best to push through it. Because sometimes healing takes time. This phrase is comforting because you can really feel the care and concern behind it. It tells the listener that it's okay to rest when things become too heavy, and also help them feel that someone is still there supporting them and looking out for them. ไม่ไหวก็พักนะทำดีแล้วทำดีแล้วทำดีแล้วทำ means to do ดี means good แล้ว show that something is completed or has changed. This phrase is used to comfort someone and help them feel more relaxed emotionally. Thai people often say this when they see someone feeling disappointed in themselves or disappointed with how something turned out. The phrase means that even if the outcome wasn't what they hoped for, they already did the best they could at the time. It reassures them that they shouldn't blame themselves too much or stay trapped in guilt, regret, or disappointment over what happened. ทำดีแล้วนะ And now we reach the final phrase in this video. A very short phrase, but one with a lot of meaning behind it. God, 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 God. God means hug. This phrase is only used with people you truly close to because it carries the feeling of emotionally hugging someone close to you. Thai people often use it when someone is feeling sad, emotionally overwhelmed, or thinking too much about something painful. It's a phrase that shows emotional understanding without needing many words. Just saying, God, God, already carries the feeling of, I'm here with you. You're not alone. I'm right beside you. The purpose is simply to help the other person feel safe, comforted, and emotionally supported. Even if you are not physically together, Thai people also use this phrase through text message or phone calls. กอดก่อนนะ And those are some of the comforting phrases that I personally selected for this video. Phrases that Thai people naturally use in everyday life, and phrases you might often hear in Thai movies or series as well. I hope this video helps you understand the emotional feelings and natural context behind these Thai expressions a little more deeply. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And for now, that's it for this video. See you next time. แล้วเจอกันใหม่ครับ สวัสดีครับ